Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important, something that can truly transform your health: raw onions. Yeah, you heard that right. This humble vegetable, often relegated to burgers and salads, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. We're diving deep into the unbelievable effects of eating raw onions and revealing the science behind their incredible health benefits. So, if you're ready to unlock a healthier you, stay tuned. Alright, let's break down why raw onions are so good for you. You might be surprised to learn that these humble vegetables are actually nutritional powerhouses. First up, they're loaded with antioxidants. These compounds are crucial for maintaining your health and well-being. You hear that word antioxidants thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean? Basically, antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Think of them as your body's defense system. These free radicals, they're like little troublemakers running around in your body, causing oxidative stress. This stress can lead to cellular damage, which over time can contribute to aging and various diseases. And oxidative stress, my friends, is linked to all sorts of chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. It's a serious issue that we need to address. But fear not, because raw onions, especially the outer layers, are packed with a powerful antioxidant called quercetin. This compound is particularly effective at combating oxidative stress. Quercetin swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing those free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. It's one of the most potent antioxidants found in nature. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your health. So next time you see an onion, remember, it's not just a kitchen staple, it's a powerful ally in your fight for better health. Next up, let's talk about your ticker, your heart. Heart disease is a serious issue, but incorporating raw onions into your diet can make a world of difference. Raw onions contain sulfur compounds, and these compounds have some pretty amazing effects on your cardiovascular system. First off, they help lower bad cholesterol levels. You know, the LDL cholesterol that clogs up your arteries. Second, they help regulate blood pressure, keeping it in a healthy range. And lastly, they act as natural blood thinners, preventing those dangerous blood clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. So by adding raw onions to your diet, you're essentially giving your heart a big, healthy hug. Now let's talk about inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's a good thing, right? Well, yes and no. Short-term inflammation is essential for healing, but when inflammation becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your body, leading to a whole host of health problems like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. But here's where raw onions come in to save the day again. They're packed with flavonoids and those awesome sulfur compounds we talked about earlier, both of which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work their magic by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in your body, effectively calming down that inflammation and providing relief from those pesky inflammatory conditions. Boost your immune system. Let's be real, nobody likes getting sick. The sniffles, the sneezes, the sore throat, it's all just a big inconvenience. But what if I told you that you could take simple steps to fortify your immune system and reduce the chances of falling ill? We all want a strong immune system that can fight off those nasty bugs and keep us healthy. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are all essential components of a healthy lifestyle. But did you know that certain foods can give your immune system an extra boost? Well, guess what? Raw onions can help with that too. These humble vegetables are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. They're a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system. Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in your body, and it helps heal wounds and maintain healthy bones and teeth. Vitamin C helps boost the production of white blood cells, which are like the soldiers of your immune system, fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. But that's not all. It also enhances the function of phagocytes, the cells that ingest harmful bacteria and dead or dying cells. Raw onions also possess natural antimicrobial properties, meaning they can actually help fight off bacteria and viruses directly. These properties come from compounds like allicin, which is released when the onion is chopped or crushed. So, next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a raw onion instead of reaching for the cough drops. Incorporating raw onions into your diet can be a simple and effective way to boost your immune system and keep those pesky illnesses at bay. Whether you add them to salads, sandwiches, or even eat them on their own, your body will thank you. Balancing blood sugar. For those of you managing your blood sugar levels, whether you have diabetes or are just trying to prevent it, listen up. Raw onions contain compounds like sulfur and quercetin, which have been shown to have some pretty remarkable effects on blood sugar regulation. These compounds work by improving insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. They also help regulate the activity of certain enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism, further contributing to stable blood sugar levels. So incorporating raw onions into your diet can be a natural and delicious way to keep those blood sugar spikes at bay. Happy gut, happy life. Let's talk gut health, people. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat," but did you know that you're also what your gut bacteria eat? That's right, the trillions of bacteria living in your gut play a crucial role in your overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immunity to even your mood. And guess what? Raw onions are a fantastic source of prebiotics, which are like food for the good bacteria in your gut. Prebiotics help those beneficial bacteria thrive and multiply, creating a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome means better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and a stronger immune system. Strong bones, strong body. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important. Osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures, is a major concern, especially for older adults. But the good news is that incorporating raw onions into your diet can actually help improve your bone health. Raw onions are a good source of several essential nutrients for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Calcium is a building block of bones. Magnesium helps with calcium absorption, and potassium helps neutralize acids that can leach calcium from bones. So, by eating raw onions, you're giving your bones the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. Natural detoxification. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment, the food we eat, and even the products we use. From the air we breathe, filled with pollutants and chemicals, to the processed foods laden with preservatives and artificial ingredients, our exposure to harmful substances is almost unavoidable. Everyday items like skincare products and household cleaners can also introduce toxins into our systems. These products often contain chemicals that can accumulate in our bodies over time, potentially leading to various health issues. It's essential to support our body's natural detoxification processes to eliminate these harmful substances and maintain optimal health. Consuming a diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity are all crucial steps in aiding our body's detoxification efforts. And guess what? Raw onions can lend a helping hand in this department too. These humble vegetables are packed with nutrients and compounds that can significantly boost our body's ability to detoxify. The sulfur compounds in raw onions, particularly a compound called allicin, are known for their potent detoxifying properties. Allicin is released when onions are chopped or crushed, and it has been shown to have numerous health benefits. This compound allicin is not only found in onions but also in garlic. It plays a key role in supporting liver detoxification, which is one of the most critical organs for detoxifying our bodies. Allicin helps activate enzymes in the liver that are responsible for breaking down toxins and flushing them out of the body. These enzymes work tirelessly to ensure that harmful substances are processed and eliminated efficiently. By supporting liver function, allicin helps maintain overall health and well-being. A well-functioning liver is essential for a robust immune system, balanced hormones, and efficient digestion. So, by incorporating raw onions into your diet, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're giving your liver a helping hand in its detoxification efforts. You're promoting a cleaner and healthier you, supporting your body's natural ability to cleanse itself from the inside out. So next time you're preparing a meal, don't forget to add some raw onions. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be taking a simple yet powerful step towards better health and well-being. That's a wrap, so there you have it, folks. The unbelievable effects of eating raw onions. From boosting your heart health and immune system to regulating blood sugar and supporting detoxification, raw onions are truly a nutritional powerhouse. Who knew something so pungent could be so good for you? Remember, incorporating even small amounts of raw onions into your diet can make a big difference in the long run. So go ahead, add some raw onion to your salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy them on their own. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for visiting the channel. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and strike the notification bell to stay updated on all future videos. Your support helps us grow and create more amazing content. Leave a comment below, tell us how have you used onions to improve your health. Thank you again and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.